So now after doing all of these settings, I'm talking to you through the Elgato Wave 3 microphone, and you're able to hear the way that it sounds without any noise removal, without any filters or anything like that. This is the raw sound of the Elgato Wave 3, and I think it sounds absolutely fantastic. So those optimal settings that we just did a moment ago are going to bring you this high quality sound and this high quality audio. And if you like the way that this sounds, this is something that I think it rivals the quality of a Blue Yeti and what have you. So let's go ahead and just do a straight up audio test with the Elgato Wave 3 so you guys can hear the way that it sounds without any filters or anything like that. So we can refer to that later. Sound good? All right, so if you're wondering how does the Elgato Wave 3 microphone sound just on its own without any extra enhancements or software boosting up the audio, etc. This is how it sounds. You're listening to the Elgato Wave 3 right now, and I'm just using the built-in software with the Wavelink software and the built-in effects so that you can hear the way that it sounds on its own. It's about hang 10 distance away from my mouth right now, and I've already optimized the settings. Here are the settings in the Wavelink software that we're using right now. I got the drop-down menu here for my Wavelink microphone. I've already optimized my gain, and I have the clip guard on, and I have the gain lock on, but I have not turned on enhanced low cut filter. So now I'm going to turn that on, and you'll hear the way that perhaps the bass in my voice changes when I do the enhanced low cut filter. So the enhanced low cut filter is off, and then when I turn the enhanced low cut filter or it was on, and now when I turn the enhanced low cut filter off, it should let more of the bass through in my voice. And so this is the way that this microphone sounds, just processing through the Wavelink software with no extra enhancements. If you think that this microphone sounds good, that's great. It doesn't sound anywhere near as good when you move the microphone further away from your mouth. So we're going to go ahead and do a test of that here in right now. So let me go ahead and show you how far away the microphone is from my mouth right now, and then how far away it's going to be here in just a moment. You ready? So right now the microphone is hang 10 distance away from my mouth right here, and this is the way it sounds. I'm going to go ahead and get just thumbs up distance away this close, and this is how it sounds. You're probably hearing some pops. You're probably hearing some bad sounds when I get this close because there is not a built-in really solid pop filter on this mic. Then when I move the microphone further away, let's move it about as far away, let's say, as it would be on a table stand, let's say, away from you. So this is about 1.5 feet away, which would be the most I would say you would ever want to have this microphone away. If you were using this table stand, this is about how far away it would be. And this is the way the mic sounds. And as you can hear, it sounds significantly worse, right? Being further away from you. So I think the optimal distance from this microphone from your mouth is hang 10 distance, about 6 inches or less, not 1.5 feet away. 1.5 feet is going to pick up some room noise, and it's going to be lower quality audio. And so that's the way that this microphone sounds 1.5 feet away. Now, this is the way it sounds hang 10 distance away. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this is the way it sounds about thumbs up distance, a few inches away from your mouth. That's the difference in the audio and with this microphone. That's just a straight up audio test so you can hear the way it really sounds before you make a purchase on this mic. Make sense? Cool.